is my first time kayaking experience, and this is the Keel Lake, and it's a really good experience so far.
It's really unusual to find a tropical style beach in Ireland with clear, deep blue water. So, me and Jaseem set out to explore the Achill Island in County Mayo on a fine weekend. There is this Keem Bay, which has this beautiful tropical style beach, and this is one of the best beaches in Ireland. So, there was no plans of kayaking. It was really very spontaneous when we decided to go for the kayaking and tick it off our bucket list. It was also the first time for Jasim, and maybe I wouldn't have done or tried kayaking if Jasim hadn't been very enthusiastic about it.
ये नाम क्या है इसका? इसका नाम क्या है इस एरिया का?
What is the name of this?
Lake.
Keel.
Okay, this is Keel.
Keel, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And Keel means narrow part of the island.
And it's in Irish, it means Keel means
It
narrow.
means narrow.
Okay.
So I mean, if you could imagine, this is all sand here.
Yeah.
That has come off the cliff.
Yeah.
That's the depth of the island. From here, if you could just go over the hill there,
Yeah.
you got the sea again.
Oh, okay.
This water's been trapped by the sand,
Ah, okay.
creating a lake. So that's why it gets the name Keel.
Thank you.
Bit of a ridge on them. So that's your right hand,
Yeah.
and the X on the paddle is your driving face. So that's what goes in the water. So you bring your kayak down, get it floating, because if it's too shallow, you're just stuck on the sand. You need to bring it out to maybe about knee deep, no deeper. Then you put a hand across, bum in first, and then pick the legs up. Then you want to fix your backrest up behind you, slide back, get your feet into the footwells,
Yeah.
Charlie Chaplin. Then your paddle, X in the water, and what you do is you just twist, which goes into position X, 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 forward paddling.
Okay.
If I want to go this way,
Yeah.
I do a thing called sweep stroke. Sweep wide away, and you have pressure on the boat, the boat go that way. So you're forward paddling, sweep. Or if you paddle on the one side, she'll turn.
Okay.
Simple as that.
Yeah.
That's it. Getting out of the boat, coming in, put the two legs out, paddle up to that, and here, up you pop, you're
Yeah.
out.
Thanks. सही है. This is nice. Yeah. This is nice. Really nice. ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाते. ये तो आराम से ऐसे तैर रहा है पूरा मक्खन जैसा. This is the first time we are doing kayaking. Even this is the first time for Jasim. You're enjoying, okay? Yeah, I'm enjoying too. It just feels like overwhelming at times when you have to turn. Hi kids, say hi. Uh,
Achill Island is the largest island in Ireland. It has 5 blue flag beaches. Yes, just one island in Ireland, which is nearly the size of Daman and Diu, the smallest administrative unit in India, has 5 blue flag beaches. So those who don't know about this blue flag status, so basically blue flag is an eco label which is awarded by a private Denmark based organization. It evaluates a sea beach on several criteria which are related to the bathing water quality, the safety and environment management. So currently there are just 10 blue flag beaches in India. So comparing that to the Ireland, it's a huge contrast. But nevertheless, if you are in Ireland and you want to have a day out, I would highly recommend visiting this.
living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.